Good morning, Don Yoakum here. Time for the daily brief, where I give you a pick a day, plus the big picture perspective you need to make this market work for you. Okay, so CP came out today. It was kind of a big nothing burger. This was supposed to be the biggest CPI print ever, the most relevant one because the Fed's last CPI print before what is now probably one of the biggest FOMC meetings ever at the end of this month. This is a good lesson in expecting expectations, right? You don't trade what you think the market will do. You trade what you think everybody else thinks the market will do. That's really the whole trick. And the market came in with expectations that would be significantly lower. And then evidently a lot of people were betting that it would be even lower than that. So it makes it really hard to get a massive rally out of the S&P or equities when the news actually comes in. You know, that rally was already baked in the cake by markets closed yesterday. The S&P is just kind of casting about right here. The Fed has quite a bit of wood to chop. I don't think they're anywhere near done, and I think we've kind of seen a near-term high in the equity markets for the pick. All right, so every now and then I do what's called a sizzle stocks review in my Prosperity Club channel. We go through names, people just throw in their stocks, and we take a look at them based on the volume profile and the opportunity zone scanner as well. Let me take one name that came up today that I thought looked pretty interesting, and I thought I wanted to share it with you. Is Eaton Corporation, and this is all based purely on how the volume profile sets up. This volume profile, we have building volume at lower prices, and this is on the last 5 days, and we're in this opportunity zone here. This implies that we're going from 165 down to 157 at the least. Actually, it looks like it might go lower. So let's zoom out. 10-day, you have that same sort of bearish pattern. All right, this is a very bearish bias in my book. Down to 153, not more. Let's take a look at 30-day. This is starting to look a little more, actually, and this is helping me structure this trade. There's a level here, based on what I'm seeing, that we want to go short below. That'll be the trigger, because we could be setting up a base here. So there's an entry point that is not the current market price on this stock. So if you want to find out what that entry point is, if you got it, don't worry about it. Let me know how you did. Just come back to me. If you want to find out what that trigger point is, join the daily pick. Click on the link below. It's just $9 a month. And I'll see you tomorrow for another daily brief.